Guys, so in this video I'm just going to show you that how to toggle up new followers notification and Instagram app, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your Instagram app and then just simply come to profile section, and in profile section here you can see three lines on the top right. Just simply tap on it, two lines, and here you get settings and privacy option. On the right tab, just simply tap on that option, and after that you can see the option notification on the second number. Just simply tap on that option. So here just find followers and followings and followers. Let me highlight this option, this one. Just simply tap on that option. So here you can see the option of new followers on the right tab. So in order to turn off new followers notification, just simply toggle off that checkbox. Like in this way you can turn off new follow notification on Instagram. So I hope it helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me a comment below and I'll be catching you on the next video. Thanks guys.